And so you can see here that you get paid $40 for 30 minutes and $70 for 60 minutes. All you have to do is just go to... What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get paid anywhere from $10 up to $70 per hour. We're talking about free PayPal money here. I'm going to show you anything you need to learn about this. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so actually I'm going to share with you, as I said, how you can get paid anywhere from $10 up to $70 per hour or even more. It totally depends on you here, but first a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. If you skip any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So it is very important to watch the whole video so you can get the exact idea on how this works. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel. It is related to internet marketing, make money online and a lot more. It is my IM Tips. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to see how we can make some free PayPal money anywhere from $10 up to $70 or even more. Let's go. Alright guys, so first we want to see what is needed here to get started with this opportunity. And you can see here that the first thing, we obviously need a computer with a microphone to join the panel. We must use Google Chrome, a high-speed internet connection, at least 18 years old, and the ability to communicate, of course, in English, a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can just click here to sign up for a PayPal account, because otherwise you can't get paid. Now you can see, if I scroll down here, that it says that tests are available daily. So if you haven't figured it out, it is about testing, but bear with me here. I'm going to share with you all of the details and actually more opportunities to make money with this. This is super easy to do. But you can see here that not every tester matches the criteria for every test, so you must be notified about available tests less frequently. And that is where I'm going to share with you actually more ways and opportunities, so you won't run out of opportunities here. And once again, you can see here that the payments vary based on the test. However, many of our starters pays in the $10 up to $70 range. And all payments are processed through PayPal within 7 business days, successfully completing your tests. So if I go up a little bit here, it is as simple as 3 simple steps. And the first one is, obviously, we need to sign up. We're going to start taking tests, and of course we are going to get paid. So if I just show you here real quick on the click here to sign up, it is going to ask us some really simple questions. So first we need to create an account. It asks here for what type of mobile device I own, for example. So I own an iPhone, so I proceed here, I'm sorry. What type of computer do you own? Let's say I have a Windows PC. What version? Windows 10. If I'm a male. And of course, what year I was born. So I'm going to actually type this. And what is your level of education? And I'm actually going to stop here because this is so easy, okay? You can see here what is your employment status, full-time, part-time. So these are super easy questions that you have to fill in so they know what kind of offers they are going to send to you. Okay, that is why it's so important to take this initial test here. And then you are actually going to get some emails on doing some different tests there. That's how easy this is. Let's have a look at actually the main site a little bit. Here you can see that it says that you learn from users, collaborate with teammates, has good large companies, one of the largest, Google, Amazon.com, Web.com, Microsoft, Twilio, and you can see here if you want to have a look at more customers, but I think that this speaks for itself. It is a legit company, so definitely worth it, okay? And basically you can see here user testing shouldn't be this hard, as they say here. So basically they do explain when a company comes here. And why do they want tests? Because they might launch a new app or a new website, and they want to improve, of course, to make it even better. So it could be as simple as they're going to direct you, let's say that, for example here, that go to ebay.com and search for a particular product, and they're going to ask you if it was easy to find it, what you think could have been improved. And basically what you do is you're going to share your screen just like I'm doing right now, and of course talk out loud. That is how easy it is. And you're going to explain that, oh no, I couldn't find it, there we have it, and so on. And of course with the recordings that they are doing, they know how to improve the website, their app, or whatever it is you're going to test. So that is how simple this works, okay? I'm not going to bore you here, but as I said, you just go to the section where it says get paid to test, and you can see here that this is what I shared with you earlier here. Now, basically, there is a frequently asked questions here also. So you can see here how much do tests pay. You can see here that you can earn anywhere from $10 for 10 to 15 minutes. But as we could see earlier here, they have the live test during which you speak via webcam and your device and screen share with the moderator, and those pays $40 for 30 minutes and $70 for 60 minutes. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, a well-organized frequently asked questions. So if I go here to the top, you can see here you can learn anywhere from tax information. These are some test details. If you always need to speak out loud, for example, how long does my recordings? So it is a good idea to have a look at those questions if you want to before you sign up, okay? And you see here how you will get paid is, of course, we already mentioned it, that you will be paid via PayPal within 7 business days of the tests. So I'm not going to bore you here. I think, in my opinion, you should go straight away, sign up here, and get started to make money with this opportunity as soon as today. Now, many of you will probably say that there isn't enough of tests here, so fair enough. I'm going to share with you actually more sites here, 2 more sites here for today that you can get started and do the exact same thing. So you are not going to rely on only Validately, but you're going to have to play around with 2 or 3 or actually even more sites so you can make even more money. And one of the most popular sites is actually usertesting.com. Where you hit the get paid to test section, and you can see here it is exactly as the previous one. Top brands wants to hear from you. You get paid to share your opinions and experiences, make things you care about better. How it works? 3 simple steps here. Sign up, take the tests, and you are going to get paid. And you can see here the amount. You earn $10 for every 20 minutes test you take, and even more for interviews. So pretty much the same actually. This is approximately around $60 per hour actually here when they're going to do a live interview with you, okay? And you can see here that this is also a legit company. They have Facebook as clients, Adobe, Alaska, Ford. Look at this, 3 million plus tests taken to this day. And you can see here that they have payment to participants in well over 1 million users here. All right, 35,000 brands influenced. So go to usertesting.com, check out the details. You can see that this is also a frequently asked questions here. And what you need to get started, I think that it pretty much is the same as the previous site here. So I'm not going to bore you with this, and here is one more site. It is userfeel.com, and you can see here we go to the section where it says become a tester, and you can earn here $10 per test. Okay, so each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or even smartphone. All right, read the following instructions and watch the example video. I'm not going to play it for you here. You can have a look at this for yourself. Now, these are all great opportunities to make money online, but unfortunately, it is not something that you can rely on and make a full-time passive income online with. If you're interested in that, build a real, long-term, sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you get some value here, I appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit that notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.